If you were Travis,
Alright, we're in.
win the champion again.
No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna play the same champion twice.
Alright. I'm gonna name this video
Oh
Machine Gun
my
Rek'Sai.
god, this bitch.
Oh god, this was my. Why did you make? Why did you link him to Kog'Maw?
What?
It was the game where Travis played Kog'Maw in
My
URF.
fucking board didn't go off.
And how did that go?
It didn't turn out well till the very end.
He actually did really good at the end.
Oh my god, there's a Bard. I get to see how Bard is.
He's stunned for days. How do you make this smaller? Whoa,
I
here
had
it
it
is.
in the wrong spot, so that's why I didn't go off.
There we go. Oh shit. Now I gotta change it to the freaking bottom right corner. Yesterday we were in loading screen for like 3 minutes because somebody didn't connect. And it was annoying the crap out of me. Move to bottom, move to bottom. There.
Everyone's either blue or purple.
We're black.
Thomas,
We
you
all
gotta
know.
talk more in your videos, dude.
Yeah, I was quiet
Talk.
for like I think a minute or two.
Damn it, Travis.
No, it's like the first 6 minutes you don't say a word.
What was I supposed
I was
to
trying
do?
to. I was like trying to bring up a subject and I was like brain fart.
But I got this.
I was hoping Jackson and Travis would help me out.
Look at that
but,
Rumble build last time. Iron Man had like red eyes.
Dude, I was busy getting wrecked.
He had his onions, right?
is he getting wrecked?
Rabadons and
Cog-
Hit Leon.
Whoops. Okay. I turned off the YouTube video because it was interfering with the current video.
Oh yeah, you probably shouldn't be talking about one of your other videos on a video.
And what do you want? We're all bad guys.
No, we're not.
Especially
Yeah,
Dar.
Dar's a bad girl.
This is some bullshit.
Don't lie, Dar. You know you're a beautiful princess.
No, I'm a fucking queen. Get that shit right.
Dude, I love Queen. They have such good songs. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they do.
Oh my god. For real though, I'm gonna fail so hard at this champion.
Where is
Who-
my
who I wanna-
What's that
I'm gonna go
great?
top.
There we go. Where are we going?
I'm going mid.
Who wants to go with me? Where am I going?
Get
Go
out
on
of
bot
here.
lane.
Okay, I'm going top with the.
Oh, me and Dimmer got bot lane. We got this. I'm gonna pull them out of all of Dimmer's queues.
I'm so pissed.
What a dick.
Get out of here.
Yeah, get out of here,
Dash-
Graves.
Dashes the whatever your name is.
Graves is actually jungling?
No.
No.
Oh, that person left. Never mind. We left that lobby. Why didn't you guys let Graves go bot with? Never mind.
Because this isn't a normal game.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
We're trying to have some fun, yo. I should have took an E.
Oh, spoiler for Fairy Tale in Thomas's video.
Oh yeah.
Wow,
Oh,
good dick.
I'm never watching it.
It's in
It's
the
not that big of a
first
spoiler.
6-minute mark. The first 6-minute mark.
We gotta,
Yeah.
They have a
we gotta
Jace
power
up here.
through This game.
Oh my god, I fucking hate this game already.
We'll
Okay.
watch.
With your burrowed Q.
I'm going AP by the way.
Oh,
Yeah,
of course
that's
you
not
are.
what we need.
It actually
Of
does
course
a
you
lot of damage.
They
Nobody
nerfed
believes
the
you.
AP ratio.
Nobody fucking believes
Travis seen it. He's seen it.
They
He
nerfed
took all my
the
kills. He stole them all.
you. Recently?
I had to get real eyes to slow him down so I can keep on hitting him. But it was worth. And then I deleted the video because I'm an idiot.
Did you delete the Jace video?
Yeah, that video. It was an accident. Well, now I have this one, so I can replace that one. And this one also has a Jace on it. See? Win-win. No, Graves, let him come back over here.
Oh my god. What? This is so dumb.
That kind of sucked. We'll be alright, we'll be alright. Oh, the grips has missed.
I want to do 3v3s on Earth.
Ah, and
Oh,
you
we gotta
doubted
do
my Rek'Sai power.
5v5s Earths on Howling Abyss.
Hang on,
Oh my
gotta
god,
turn
I
this
pushed
off.
the wrong fucking button. I'm dead now because of it.
My god.
Are you kidding me?
Dude, he got behind the minion.
I can't hit him. I suck at aiming. I got him.
Did I just hit him over your...
Yeah, because
That's actually a thing? You can hit him over someone's ability?
Oh.
thank you.
They just got dragon.
No, they
Yep.
didn't. Don't lie to me.
Yeah, they did. Should I go back and buy or not? I need like 20 more gold. Alright, I'm going back now. Fuck you, bitch. I just want my needlessly large, you
This
know?
tunnel system is making me lag so bad. Please. Graves just queued the wrong way, but
I'll be right back.
Can't be any worse than fucking Travis ultimate ish every other direction.
Dude, that shit was OP.
What?
My fizzles that were in the base.
oh my god, it was better with him on the team. Oh my god. I don't want it.
Oh! Did he flash?
I don't know, maybe.
No.
Did I hit? No.
And Graves is dead. Ripperoni. His poke hurts more than mine.
They have a jungler. Their Pantheon is jungler.
Get out of here, man. Oh, okay, I'm out. This hurts a lot. And he's level 6. What the fuck?
GG.
You guys want to trade lanes now?
Nope.
No.
Please?
Nope. You're putting this shit up on the web, too.
No. No.
You're putting it up.
You want to poke against Jace? This is
Timur's
unfair.
just like, you don't have a choice.
Yeah, dude, come on. I'm 4-0.
Jesus. Then you should be fine against Jace. Just out poke him and you win.
I can't outpoke anybody. Ask Travis.
Nope, he's a baddie.
Oh, please.
No, I gotta
Lord.
stay.
Ed told me to tell you white boys to add them when you can.
I'm good.
What the fuck?
I don't know how to add people in this game.
I get wrecked.
You're gonna make me do this again.
Make you? I mean, it's a choice.
I mean,
Yeah,
after
yeah,
that.
and you did.
Ugh.
Jace is fucking bitch.
This is my last game, probably, anyways. This is what I needed.
What was I building?
There we go.
I was building something. Something OP. Here we go. This'll work. This'll definitely work.
Oh, I didn't think you were gonna get it. I
Okay.
shouldn't
She
have
didn't
taken
have
that
mad
shot.
life.
Oh, why'd you open that way? probably get. Oh wow!
I didn't think you were gonna get it, and I underestimated you. Why does my art not? When I hit R, it doesn't fire. How do I fire it? Do I have to click it?
Yeah.
I thought you had to click R again to do it.
No, that unleashes it or undoes
Oh
it.
no! I'm like, why can't I?
I'm a bastard.
Travis, this is a fun game. You know that? Jesus Christ, my damage is insane.
Time for the poke game.
Someone's at their wolves or just got their wolves. Oh, that'd be Pantheon.
Got it?
I told you they have a jungler.
Yeah, but we don't care. That's the thing you forget.
I'm just fucking. You know
I
what?
want to kill this guy.
Okay, I'm down. Help with Bard?
I'm dead.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Yorick's Ignite killed me. Or whoever had Ignite.
I shouldn't have stayed then. I thought I could have gotten away from Yorick.
I got him, boss.
He did something, everybody!
Time to do the roaming game.
Gotta go!
I'm coming.
Swain's coming bottom too.
Oh.
We should probably leave. I'll get you out though, coach.
Whoa there, Dar.
Help, 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 help.
Oh shit. Where'd he go? Oh, what an idiot. What the f... What is he doing?
Ooh, ouch.
Oh! Oh my god! Run away!
Damn it, Dar, you took my kill.
It's Nom all over again.
Nah, I'm all over again, he says. That's the worst thing I've heard anybody say all day, I think.
Where's Jace? Jace gone.
Oh, he would just gain his bottom.
There he is.
Nice map awareness.
Oh, that's Yorick. Oh no, why'd you dash in? Betty.
I'm coming. Maybe not, never mind. There's a juice wave bottom.
Fuck. Did someone go mid?
I swear, if you die.
I'm not gonna die.
I have no
Did
power.
someone go mid?
Or I would.
I don't think I'm gonna die. We can't, Dar, we're doing
strong.
something. Mine!
Damn. Are you going HP, Travis? Yep, never mind.
I'm fucking shit up.
Because he literally got deleted.
Oh! Fuck! Kill him! Kill him! Travis!
My
Travis!
fucking- yes.
Travis, don't fucking... Oh my god, Travis. You're about to get fucked. I got the feeling. Oh, you stole it from him, did you?
No.
The hell was that?
Travis is full AP, I love it.
And he's dead. Bye, Graves. Ripperoni. Okay. Time to build Rabadon's death cap.
Don't mind me.
Or Rylai's.
Oh, baby.
Boundaries? Yeah, let's get the boundaries.
So you got second, or yeah, second dragon.
Who cares about dragon? Dragon ain't shit, Dar.
Tar, you're pretty strong, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good.
Whoa, I just fucked up. Time for the pokes.
Who does this guy think he's fucking with?
Oh,
Please, way to fucking steal 2 of my kills.
Wow.
So Azir's OP? I always wondered, ever since Azir came out, I wondered how he would do on Earth.
Like Rek'Sai?
no.
No. No.
But Rek'Sai does damages.
Get the fuck out of here.
Are you
I
seeing
agree
the
with
damage
Tom,
output?
you know, he's probably carrying us.
Stop. I don't think I could laugh that hard.
Oh,
I was paying attention. I was definitely not buying things.
no!
He's out.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Yeah, I definitely was not in the shop.
Oh my god.
What is Graves doing with his life?
God damn it!
Nothing.
Being a monkey brain.
Why is he building attack speed on this mode when he can literally just E constantly? You know what I mean? Like, honestly, is that not smart? Like,
Yeah.
Let him do what he wants to. We just have to carry him.
fair enough.
Holy shit, I'm 10-3.
No, you're not.
Wait, you're 10-3 and you have no damage, Dimmer?
I'm also 10-3.
What? I was being sarcastic. Whoever said I had no damage?
You said you had no damage.
Not like, honestly.
Is there a drag? Let me upgrade my trinket.
English?
Dragon, is it there? No.
Nope.
Get away from me!
You see the...
How is he not dead? But what, Dar? I didn't see any turret.
No, not the turret, Swain.
Oh no, I didn't see that either. There's blood in my eyes.
Clearly.
My god, this Rek'Sai Q. Guys, I have Mia's. Oh, I just got stuck in a wall.
I'm pretty sure we just aced him and he's telling us there's Mia's.
No. They're up, see?
Can we kill Jace already once?
If he gets close enough.
On this? No, we killed him already.
I thought you said, could we kill him?
No, we did already.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that's such a bummer. How did I not get an assist for Pantheon? I don't get that. Oh my god. Dar's on a fucking tear.
Mine!
Killing faster.
Wow, dude.
Worth!
YouTube.
She's going on YouTube.
I got your back! Cover fire!
Kills it.
Oh shit. I don't want it. Bye, Dar. Oh, look at that. So many fucking tunnels! He. Oh, missed. Nice! And Dar's probably gonna die.
I should have kept kiting.
Holy fucking tunnels, Batman. Jesus.
Guys, we need a construction crew to remove all these tunnels.
These aren't Batman's tunnels.
Don't you only have the capability of having 8?
Yep.
You can teleport on my tunnels? Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
You didn't know that?
I'm dead.
Oh, peace, girl.
Not even.
I'm coming. In 4 seconds.
I don't know what the fuck Pantheon just jumped to. Get out, Travis! I got your back. Or not. You got your own back.
Dude, give me some vision, yo. Give me some of that. Ooh.
Oh, that's where he went.
Orb walk. Screw Jace.
Oh, hi Pantheon.
Pew pew.
Nah, brah.
Pew. Oh!
Oh,
Dimmer finally died, and Dara's probably gonna die too. There you go.
Wait, Dara, when you die, I see this earth come out of your
Do
body.
you see that?
Yeah.
that's
Holy
the icon.
moly. And we're gonna die. Oh! Oh, I'm out. I'm sorry, Travis. You're.
Yeah.
Wow, Travis just ate that to the midsection. What did this Jace build?
Can someone stop York pushing the place?
As soon as I'm alive.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I wasn't just talking to you. Thomas.
What up?
Never mind.
Can I help you, sir?
Wait.
I'm busy shooting people. I've been here for like ages. I have 4K to spend. I probably should go
Then
back.
go spend it, fool!
Okay, okay.
You April fool.
Look at that. Look at that mid.
Please
Look at all
help me.
those. Oh my god.
Oh,
Tunnels.
that's the icon determines how you die. I get it.
Yeah, Dar.
What icon?
No, it explains the lasers that I saw.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
The summoner icons that sell 250 RP. You buy them and you use them, and
Oh my
when you
god.
die, it gives that
Timber.
Hey, we're full. Oh shit, I could have probably with that.
Oh. What just happened to him?
So much health, holy shit.
This is such a fun hunt.
Oh, I see what he did there.
Yeah, right?
You can pull him when he's in there.
Yeah, but that's hard. Thomas, why did you flash away from Bard?
Cause
Wait, why are we here?
I don't know,
not?
I saw Travis and I was like, what's Travis doing? What? Yeah? No.
Possibly.
No.
Time
You
to
ain't
get my
hitting me.
Zonias.
I'm coming,
Yeah.
Thomas.
Oh shit! Tenacity! I'll help you out, buddy.
Oh shit.
Sonia's, please. Oh my god, really? That's a thing? And then you gripped him twice so fast in a row. That was ridiculous.
Ah,
Scrub!
Thomas, if you were AD, you could have killed him.
If I was AP, I can also kill him. Oh, 3, 2, 1. What the f-
3, 2, what?
3, 2, 1.
3-2 dead.
I don't know why Swain doesn't have his ult continuously up.
Holy shit, Yorick!
Oh my goodness.
I kept trying to tell y'all he was pushing.
It's because he's bad. That's why we don't need him.
We don't need him. He's on the other thing.
We don't need him.
Oy.
Woohoo!
Oh,
The synergy. Synergy. Oh, hi Travis. You were doing something.
Oh, did Travis try to get the kill from
Yeah.
behind us?
yeah.
Thanks for stopping by, Travis. It was very
You're
nice
welcome.
having you.
Oh my god! Stop!
When am I buying? When am I building?
Hey man,
What is
I'm not
life?
using ults to do this.
Damage.
I wouldn't
market,
consider mine an
daily
ult
power.
anymore. There's less of a cooldown than
Travis, right there.
Flash. What? What am I gonna do to him?
I'm right here.
What should I buy? I don't care. I'm doing this. Whoops.
Team?
Yes.
Never mind. Whatever.
Oh. Wrecked. Can I hear a wrecked? And Yorick is a fish. He is a fish.
Yeah, of course he's. Ah. I'm staying in base.
Alright, bye Dar.
Yeah, you just push whatever stupid wave he's trying to push. Do we get Baron? Holy smokes. We're in the money, gentlemen.
We've been in the money. Right?
54 to... yeah, I guess.
$864 AP plus 10% damage because of Dragon. I am ready.
Oh, you gotta... nice. I respect that.
Will Lichbane work with my Q proc?
No. Gotcha, bitch.
Got him, coach.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Dead.
Oh, you threw him the wrong way.
Wait a minute, I'm level 20?
Guys, Dark, I'm level 22. Get on my level.
I've also been sitting in base for the last 8 minutes.
Why?
Trying to stop
Oh,
Dark from
pushing the Yorick. Yeah. I get it now. I understand.
Dark, you want we can trade posts.
What?
Damn, he's fast as shit. What the fuck?
Hit him once. Heyo. Ooh, baby, that dude fucking melted.
Wow.
Oh my god, one more. Woo! Hell
Alright.
yeah, we did.
Xerath is a lot of fun in that mode.
Azir's even more fun.
I don't even own that champion.
He's so much fun.
Oh,
I carried you, assholes.
that's the end of the video.
Ow.
No, Dar did. What are you talking about? And then Blitzcrank.